Charlie from Charnwood, and today I'd like to introduce you to the BS410 bandsaw. Now this is a small compact machine ideal for the hobby workshop, but that's not to say it doesn't pack many features found on bigger and far more expensive machines. It has a 10-inch throat and a 4-inch depth of cut. It has a cast iron table and it has a 1/2 horsepower motor. But it has many features that really do endear it to the hobbyist and the professional alike. The cast iron table, as we already said, good, solid, nice datum to work on. But it has an extension table, a useful little feature. This table is at 0 degrees, it's horizontal, but we can tilt it down to 45 degrees. The slot here that the mitre guide fits is T-slot. I can't lift that mitre out when I'm sliding backwards and forwards. It means it's safer to use. Again, it comes with a really strong rip fence. Look at that. It's got that alloy extrusion here that fits into this lock here, and it has a fastener at the top end. Let me just rotate that round and you can see what I mean. You can hook it over the end, that will slot in there, you lock it off, and that is so strong we're turning the whole machine with it. We also have an NVR switch. No voltage release switch means it fails safe. And all our machines at Charnwood come complete with a push stick. Never be tempted to not use a push stick. Let's talk about the blade. The blade is a British made ground tooth, and these teeth are hardened, so it's a quality blade. You also have 3 guide bearings here that make sure it always tracks true. There's 2 each side. All 3 bearings are easy to access and adjust. And I don't know if you guys can see this, there is one positioned at the back. So good to see a proper bearing on a guide. This is mirrored underneath the table. On a compact machine like this is pure joy to see proper support to the blade, both top and bottom of the table. Which at this price level is quite a unique feature. Rotating it round, you'll see that we have the rise and fall adjustment. And on the back, you have a cam lock to take the tension off the blade to aid speedy blade replacement. Now this machine will run a 1/2 inch down to a 1/4 blade. And to make sure you're tracking it true, you have a sight glass here. The tracking window really helps set the machine up. Again, a feature not normally found or associated with machines at this price and size. Let's look at the back again. 1/2 horsepower induction motor, quiet, long life motor. We use a multi-V pulley belt system for maximum traction, a brush to take the dust off the tyres, and we have inhibitor switches on both wheel box doors for your safety. And here you'll see the extraction port. No messing about with adapters then. Is a multi-port design with 2, 3 and 4-inch fittings. Underneath we've got a clevis lock lever, and we have markings as a guide for the angle of the table when you use it. Nice and clear, easy to read, easy to set up. All in all, it's a very, very nice, compact machine that, to be quite honest, is a joy to use. The bandsaw is the most flexible saw you'll ever have in your workshop. The all-important numbers for you folks. So easy to use.